back, guys. Today as a toy review, hand puppet, trash dog. But first, quick explanation. I decided to separate Roblox videos from toy reviews to avoid some confusions, and I will explain more later on in the Roblox video. Alright, coming back to the toy. It's quite, well, nasty, disgusting dog, but actually it's very, very lovely. And we love to play with it. It's making really funny noises, which I will show you in a second. First, quick look around. You switch a noise in here. Here is, I believe, a fly noise, and that one changes the noise a bit. Look at this gulp. Oh. Alright, you put your hand on the bottom. So I will do it now. Alright, and I will switch the noise. I think you can do it all day long! Alright, let's go. Shh. Good doggy, good doggy. Shh. That's a fly. Okay, so as you could hear, it changes the noise a bit. Oh, it's doing a lot of noises. I like that one. Oh, I thought it listened to me, but it didn't. Okay, I will switch it off now. Okay, so that was Trash Dog Hand Puppet for you guys. And see you later on in the Roblox video. Bye bye!